Hello!
Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome back to my channel with me, unboxing my Illumicrate order for this month. Everybody pay tribute to Gandalf.
I don't have money, though.
But pay tribute. You may bow in his presence. The magical 1 out of 144 Gandalf. So, let's show you what is in my Illumicrate order for this month. I don't know where my dog is going, so don't ask.
Ooh.
So this month's theme is...
It's darker academia.
Yes, ooh, and it shows you in the front cover everything you're going to get. We'll put that off on the side because I'm about to show you. First things first, we have in here...
Playing cards.
Reading prompt cards for the indecisive bookworm who has too many books. Which, that's actually kind of cute. That could hopefully be helpful. Next, we have in here, I believe this is a pencil pouch. Let's pull it out. Oh no, it's a glasses sleeve.
Oh,
I'm gonna use that.
That you need.
Because I'm blind as a bat. Next, oh, this is very much a Greg thing, and Greg, I'm probably gonna give this to you.
What?
It's a journal.
Oh, it's blacker than my soul.
Yeah. So show it to everybody. Let's pull it out here. Oh no, it's stuck. Please hold.
Never mind.
So here is the journal.
Ooh.
And in here, this journal belongs to, and then it shows weekly tasks.
They assume I'm going to do this?
You could put whatever you want in here. You could
I've
talk
got a
about
lovely
the
bunch of coconuts.
weekly tasks. Make a list of all the people who ain't gonna do that week. On Tuesday, January 4th, Bridget said that I was a crap poopy head. I don't know.
And then she made the list.
Yes. Next we have in here, and this looks like a very much a Rachel thing. This
looks
is
like the book.
Doc Academia bookcase jigsaw puzzle.
Oh,
I'm excited
that's
about
going to be
that.
fun. You all did a lot of puzzles during... How many pieces?
1,000.
Oh.
That's a Rachel thing. I'm excited
That's a
about
Christmas
this one.
with your sister thing.
Yes. And then the last thing we have in here.
Oh,
look
look
at
at the...
beautiful.
Excuse me.
Hold on. I'm trying to get it out of the wrapping. I'm struggling.
Please hold.
So here is the book. It's called A Dark and Drowning Tide by Allison Soft.
Oh, it's beauty.
This is the spine. As you can see, it has painted edges. And let me show you the back cover. Plus...
She needs some clothes.
Yes, plus this is the inside of one cover. That is beautiful.
It looks like an animal. Looks like a horse to be exact.
And then here's the inside of the other cover. Has a dragon.
Oh, it's a dragon.
Yes.
That ain't no lizard.
It's a lindworm.
That's a dragon.
Yeah, it's a dragon. So yes, I am very excited to read this book. It is beautiful because I decided I'm only buying physical copies of books now.
If they party.
If they're pretty. That's why I bought this one. So I'm going to get the leather-bound ones. I'm going to get the pretty ones like this. Those are the only physical copies that I'm buying. Oh, and I have occasionally bought a box set. But I'm stopping to buy those. I'm going to stop buying those unless they're pretty.
Y'all,
No
on this
paperbacks
day,
will grace my shelf.
on this date, please note that this is what she's agreed to. You all are my witnesses.
Yes.
Wait till we go on a Costco trip and see what happens.
No, Costco's getting rid of their book section except at the holidays. The look on Greg's face right now.
Well, that could save you money.
That's going to save me money, yeah. So, yes, this is what was in my Illumicrate box for this month. Am I excited about this? Yes. Yes, I am, because as a reader...
I think the puzzle is fantastic.
The puzzle, I love the puzzle. I think this is one of the boxes that I feel so targeted right now.
Which is interesting, because I wouldn't say you're dark academia. That tends to be more me.
Yeah, I'll still read it. I like fantasy.
You are, but the aesthetics here is actually
Yes.
like, this is hardy.
That's pretty, yes. But you don't like puzzles as much as
Yeah,
I do.
no, not at all.
If any of you guys watched Rugrats, there's this one episode where Angelica takes a puzzle piece and wets it down to try to fit it into a spot that it doesn't go.
That would not be me.
That's what Greg
I would
is
just
like
take
with a
the
lot of
one
things.
puzzle
Yeah.
piece and run with it.
But she wets it. Oh my gosh! I remember when I was little and I watched the episode. I was like 5 and I almost had a heart attack whenever she wet that puzzle piece down.
Really?
And I was like, "How dare you do that to fit in the puzzle piece that does not fit there?" I was so offended.
Of course.
A plague on Angelica's house. Seriously. But yes, this is everything that came. Shh, we're talking. This is everything that came in my box. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope you all keep reading books and reading people.
Shame
Goodbye.
me.